All right, so we're going to work through doing number 17, trying to find the positive values from this list. We should just be passing in, we're taking in positive lists. A positive list is a method. We're going to take in L, and we're just going to try and find. I think this one seems pretty straightforward compared to some other ones. So it's just going to return a list of the ones that are greater than 0. I don't think we really need to have this in here. I think you could use it, but I'm not going to. I think we just need to do, so we're going to do a filter. I'm just going to say return. All right, so let's make a little filter object. We're going to filter, we need to pass, we need to have a function, and then we need to have a list. So the list is going to be, I think we just called it L, and then our function is going to be, something has to return a true or false values. We're going to get an X, and we're going to return, basically, we only get the positive, and, okay, so it can't even be 0, so we have to say X greater than 0. So this is our filter that we're going to do. Every value that we find in L, we are going to filter out only the ones where this is true. And that's going to create a list. This is pretty straightforward. Let's try and just put a little print thing around this. Let's take a run at it. We'll get a filter object, of course. Let's cast that into a list. And we get the values of 1, 2. And so that's really going to be it, I think. I think we return this value. I think we will be done. Let's try and run this. Configure, hopefully the tests are working. I think that's all we really need to do. Same thing. Let me try and open this in Anaconda. Maybe you guys are going to have the same experience. Let me close this. Let me go into Anaconda. I'm going to launch VS Code from here. And then I'm going to go to File. It's probably not going to show me my recent ones. No, because it's almost like treats these as like two entirely separate VS Codes, which is super annoying. Let's go in here and find positive list. That's what I was working on. All right. So again, I just saved it. I reopened VS Code through Anaconda. Fingers crossed this works. Hey, there we go. Works. So not too hard of a fix. Just a little annoying. Setup as detected. Setup's running great. Thank you. All right, there we go. That's it.